Welcome to your third set of derivative rules. These rules will be shown in flashcard style so that you may study from them and or write them down so that you have your own set of rules to reference when solving derivative problems. Let's get started. The exponential rule. If you have a function f of x equals a raised to the power of x, then the derivative of that function is f prime of x equals the natural log of a multiplied by a raised to the power of x. In this case, a represents a constant value. So in other words, a function whose value equals a constant raised to the variable x will have a derivative equal to the same constant raised to the same variable, all multiplied by the natural log of the constant. The e rule. If you have a function f of x equals e to the a times x, then the derivative of that function is f prime of x equals a times e to the a times x. Essentially, the derivative equals the function whenever the constant is 1, so f of x equals e to the x, and f prime of x equals e to the x. The natural log rule. If you have a function f of x equals the natural log of x, then the derivative of that function is f prime of x equals 1 divided by x. The logarithmic rule. If you have a function f of x equals the log base a of x, then the derivative of that function is f prime of x equals 1 divided by x times the natural log of a. In other words, the derivative of a logarithmic function is the inverse of the natural log of the original log's base value, all multiplied by the inverse of the variable x. Alright you guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked this video, please subscribe for more. If you want more videos like this, please give this one a thumbs up. And if you want to connect with us, please leave a comment below and try to reach out to us on our social media pages linked in the description. Thanks and happy studying.